What's up, everyone? I'm Fabian, and I'm an arborist community expert with tree stuff. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get your ring onto your rope if you had forgotten to pre-install it. So, say you sent your rope all the way through and you're all ready to go, and you're either doing a floating anchor canopy tie or an alpine with a ring on it, and you forgot to put your ring on. So what we can do is just pull a bunch of this through, or we tie on a throw line, pull it all the way back through, take our throw line off, run our ring all the way through, tie the throw line, and do all that mumbo jumbo. We don't want to do all that. That's too much work. So what I like to do, to get the correct amount of length of rope here to get our ring back up over on this side, is what I like to do is take a slip knot about hip height, go up a little bit higher, tie a slip knot here. Now we're going to pull our tail end. We're going to pull this all the way up until that slip knot hits the union that we need to pass over. Now I'll hold it tight, pull that slip knot out. Now I know over here I've got the correct amount of rope that I need, so I don't pull all this rope out when I'm going to get this ring over. So now we'll install our ring over here on this side. And again, I like to go hip height, just a little bit more, tie a slip knot, so now our ring is just sitting there. Now we're going to take our other end that we had pulled up, and now we're going to pull it down until that ring goes up and over, and then now it's going to drop right back down to us. Hold these two legs aligned tight, pull that slip knot out, and now we're ready to either do our floating anchor. We got our ring right on the back on the right side, or like I said, if you like to do an alpine with a ring on it. But that's a super simple, easy way to get your ring back to the right side if you had forgotten to pre-install it. So I hope you guys like that and try it for yourself.